Good morning all of you. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is factorization. Factorization, very easy chapter, that is only the HCF we have to find out. Okay, means when we are finding the HCF of monomials, first the HCF of literal coefficient into the HCF of numerical coefficient. Okay, that is equals to the HCF of monomials. Means here whichever the common part, that we will take it out and remaining we are keeping as it is. That is the factorization. We are bringing to the simplest form. Okay, for example, if any question is 2a square b plus 6ab is given. That means here by seeing only we will understand 2 and 6. 6 it will go in the table of 2. That means 2 we can take it as a common one, and in both first term and second term a and b is there. That means a b we will take it out. That means here 2a is there. That means a already 2 we are taken out. So left 1a already we are taken out. Left a and b already we are taken. So only a will be the answer, and plus 2 how much are 2 3s are, and ab it is given. Okay. So the answer will be 2ab, a plus. Okay, like this we are doing. So directly now we will start the exercise. In the new page you have to write it. Lesson number 14, exercise 14a, that is factorization. Okay, first write down lesson number 14, factorization, exercise 14t. Now first question. The first question is 6x y minus 4 x z. So Chetan, here 6 and 4, that means 2 we will take it out. Okay, and x also we can take it out. That means here 2 3s are 6, y minus 2 2s are 4, x already we are taken out. That means z. So what is our answer? Only 2x inside the bracket 3y minus 2z. The same way you have to do the question number second. So second will be the homework to you. Now I will do the question number 2. Third question is given 4 a square b minus 6 ab square plus 8 ab. Okay. Now 3 terms is given. That means 4, 6, 8. It will go in the table of 2. So we will take 2 as a common. In first group also AB is there. So 2AB we will take as a common. Okay. Now which is the left here? 2 2s are 4. So 2AB already taken. Only B is there, so only A square. Here 2A, one single A we are taken out. Left part is 1. Okay. Plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6, 3 A we are taken out, and B plus into plus, 2 4s are 8, A B already we are taken out. So this will be the answer. Right. Now question number 4 will be the homework. Now I will solve the question number 5th one. 5th one is given 2x square plus x square minus 4x. That means children here 2 and 4 that is common here, but in second term we are not getting any 2 or 4 or okay, any numerical we are not getting. That means only x is common in all the group. X we will take it out. Now left is 2x plus x minus 4, because x already we are taken out. So this will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 6, that will be the homework. Now question number 7. Seventh one, 28 is go in the table of 14. Okay, 14 2s are 14 3s are. So 14 we can take it out. Now here a square and only single a is there. That means we will take it a only. But here b square, here also b square. Both b square means we will take it b square as a common. And here whenever we are taking the literal coefficient, the lowest value we have to take it out. Here c, here c square. That means c we will take it out. Okay. Now 14 2s are already a. We have taken out one single a left. B square taken, left part is c. Minus here 42 means 3s are a already taken out. B square also taken out. Only c left. So our answer is 14a b square c 2ac minus 3c. Okay. So children, a, yes, c also no need because c already we have taken out. Okay, 2a minus 3c. Completed. Now 8-1 is the homework. I will solve the question number 9-1. X square y plus 15x y square minus 25x square y square. Okay, that means here children 10, 15 and 25 means 5. It will go in the table of 5. So y 5 we will take it as a common number, and each and everywhere x and y is there. Means x here only single x, so we will take x here only single y we will take it out. Now 5, 10 means 5 2s are 10. Here x square only single x left, y already we are taken out. Now 5 3s are 15, x already we are taken out. One single y also we are taken out. Left single y. Now 5 5s are 25. X square and y square means x and y. So this will be the answer. Question number 9. Write down. It's completed. Now question number 9 completed. 10 is the homework. Now question number 11 1 I will solve it. 27 a cube b cube minus 45 a the power 4 b square. Here children 27 and 45, that means it will go in the table of 9. 9 will take as a common. 9 here a cube a the power 4. So which is the smallest? A cube is the smallest value. We will take it a cube outside and b square also outside. Now 9 3s are 21. Here a cube already taken, b only b left now. Now 9 5s are 45. A cube we are taken, a only single a left. B square already taken out. So this will be the answer. Okay, write down. And question number in this exercise children up to question number 14th a we have to do it. Now 14th in this 14th a exercise up to question number 12 only we have to do. So question number 12 one will be the homework. Now we will move to the next exercise. Okay. In this exercise up to question number 12, that much is enough. Now next exercise. Children, in first exercise only the same common number we will get it. Sometimes we don't get any common number. Okay. Means if the question is like this. 2ab plus 4 and plus 3ab here 4, here 3, 6. So if we will get the questions like this, means what we will do, first we will make this both one group. Two numbers we will make one group, and after that we will find out the common number here. Now here common is 2. AB left like that, plus 2 2s are 4. Here 3 will be the common, A plus B, 3 2s are 6. Now you can see A plus B, AB plus 2, AB plus 2. Which is the common? This part is the common. Take it out. AB plus 2 and the left part 2 plus 3 will be the another. Like this we will solve. Okay, in this exercise we are going to solve the questions like this. In this exercise also children, means exercise 14 to be also we have to do the question number up to 12. Okay. The first question, that is 5xy plus 20x minus 9y minus 36. That means here these two one group and these two another group. So we will take it 5x as a common. So y plus 5 4s are 20. Already we have taken x common number. Okay. Now minus both place minus is common. So minus we will take it out, and 9 also we will take it out. Now minus into minus plus we will get it. Already 9 we have taken out. That means y is minus into minus plus 9 4s are 36. Now you can see y plus 4, y plus 4. That will be the common here. That means y plus 4 and 5x minus 9. Okay, this will be the answer. Write down. And second one will be the homework. Now we will do the third meal. We have to arrange it properly. After arranging only we have to take the common number. Okay, that means 9xy. After that we will take it minus 9y square minus 7x and plus 7y. Now we arrange. We will make the group. Now which is the common here? 9y is the common. Left is x minus y, because already 1y we have taken out. Left only single y. Now we will take it up. Minus first number minus 7. So here minus into minus plus x part minus into plus minus y. So we are getting same only x minus y. So x minus y, and this will be 9y minus 7. Okay, right. Now 4 will be the homework. I will solve the question number 5th one. Completed? Four x square minus 10xy minus 6xz plus 15yz. So what we will do here? Here we will get the common number, isn't it? So what we will take here? 2 and here 3. Take 2 and x. Also we can take it out. 2 2s are 4. 1 x is left. Minus 2 5s are 10. X we are taken out. So 1. Now first number y, and we will take it 3, and z also we will take it, because in both the group we are getting z. Okay, that means 3 2s are 6, x left, minus into plus minus, 3 5s are 15, z already taken, then 1. Now you see both we are getting the same thing only. That means 2x minus 5y and 2x minus 3z. Okay, do it. Now, sixth one will be the homework. I will solve the question number 7th one. Okay. A square plus AB 1 plus B plus B cube. Now what we will do in this question, children? Here inside they are given bracket. So we have to remove that bracket first. Okay? That means A square plus AB into 1 means AB only will get. AB into B means A B square plus B cube. After that we have to take out the common. Now here A is common, left A plus B, and here B square is common because the smallest we have to take it out, A plus B. Now you can see here both we are getting same. That means A plus B and A plus B square. This will be the answer. Okay. Now question number 8 is the homework. Now I will solve the question number 9. Question number 9. B square minus AB 1 minus A minus A. Okay. Now this question how we will solve it? The same way how we done the previous question. That means B square minus AB into 1, AB only we will get it. Okay. After that here minus, isn't it? So minus into minus, what we will get it? Plus. A into A means A square, B as it is minus A cube. Clear? Understood? After that what we will do it? We will make the group wise. Now which is common here? B. Now one B we are taken out means another B left. Now minus A and plus we are taken out plus A cube means A square we can take it out. B left minus A. So you can see both we are getting same only. So B minus A and B plus A square. This will be the answer. Okay, write down the 9. 10th one will be the homework and I will solve the question number 11th one. Completed? Now question number 11. Okay, so here children, how we will solve this question? Here we got x minus 2 minus x minus 2 whole square. Here both x minus 2 that we can take it common, but here it is not possible. To make the same only what we will do here, you can see A is the common one. We will take it A as a common, and when we will take the common A, x minus A, x minus 2 we will get. Here also x minus 2, then we will take x minus 2 as a common. Okay, so x minus 2, put it in the bracket, then x minus 2 whole square plus take A as the common, so x minus 2. Now Now everywhere x minus 2 is the common. Now you can take it x minus 2 as a common now. Okay. Now everywhere you have taken x minus 2 as a common. Now here x minus 2 common means x minus 2 ones are. Okay. Then minus already x minus 2 here taken 1x minus 2 is left, and here x minus 2 already here taken out plus a. Understood? Now, so both the bracket we won't put, we will put another bracket here because same bracket we won't put it. Okay. Now here x minus 2 we will simplify this. Okay. That means 1 minus x minus into minus plus 2 plus a. That means here x minus 2 plus 1 3, because plus 1 and plus 2 we have to add it. That means we will get it here 3 plus a minus x. So this will be the answer. Understood? Means up to inside we never write the bracket. Factorization means the simplest form we have to bring it. So this is the final result of this. Okay. And the question number 12th one. 12th one you can see the same way only children, x minus 1 and x minus 1 whole square and 4 minus 4x. So what we have to do, 4 we have to take it as a common and you have to solve it. Okay. So question number 12, that will be the homework to you. Now the next exercise 14C. Is completed? Okay. Now 14C, first question. X square minus 81. By seeing only we will understand this is which formula based? A square minus b square. Means 81 is given, means that by seeing only we will understand that is the 9 square. Okay. Now here the formula based, that will be x square minus 9 square. So this will be a square minus b square. The full form is a plus b, a minus b. That means we will get it here x plus 9 and x minus 9. Okay, like this we have to do it in this question. This formula no need to show, to make you understand I wrote it, directly we can do it. Okay. And second one, that will be the homework to you. Now I will solve the question number 3rd one. Third question is y square minus 121. So children, square both the squares, by seeing only we will understand 36 means 6 6 are 36, 121 means that will be 11 11. That means we are getting here 6y square minus 11 square. That means 6y plus 11, 6y minus 11. This will be the answer. Okay. So and fourth one will be the homework to you. So children, today up to question number 4, that much is enough. The remaining questions means 5th main onwards we will do in the next class. Okay, 5th main onwards we will do in the next class. So complete all the class work and the homework. Thank you.